Hey. It's Erica here, your friendly beach explorer, bringing you another exciting adventure from the shores of paradise. Get ready to be whisked away to an amazing beach like no other. As I step onto the velvety sand, I can't help but be mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty that surrounds me. The sun is shining brightly, casting a golden glow on the sparkling waves. It's a picture-perfect day to embark on this beach adventure together. This beach is pure magic. The crystal clear waters beckon you to take a refreshing dip, while the soft sand invites you to sink your toes in and unwind. It's the perfect oasis to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and embrace a moment of serenity. As I walk along the shoreline, I'm in awe of the natural wonders that unfold before me. Towering palm trees sway gently in the tropical breeze, casting shade on beachgoers seeking refuge from the sun. The rhythmic sound of the waves crashing against the shore creates a symphony of tranquility. But what truly sets this beach apart is its hidden treasures. Exploring the rocky formations at the water's edge reveals fascinating tide pools teeming with marine life. It's like discovering a whole new world right at my feet. I can't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to witness the raw beauty of nature. From the vibrant coral reefs just offshore to the occasional glimpse of dolphins playing in the distance, this beach is a sanctuary for both adventure and relaxation. Now, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're loving this virtual beach experience, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join me on my future beach explorations as we uncover more hidden gems and marvel at the wonders of the world.